Convenient GrabBox dispenser with built-in carry handle. Cloth-like feel, highly absorbent, more durable than a traditional paper towel. Unique stretch, softness and wipe-dry capabilities. Commercial grade, general-purpose wiper for cleaning glass, mirrors, machines and tools, painting and staining. 210x12 sheets per case. TaskBrand V40 Value series is perfect for machine and tool cleaning, painting and staining, wiping up oil, grease, water and general-purpose cleaning. The GrabBox is a convenient dispenser box that protects the wipers from dirt and debris while providing single wiper dispensing. The N-V040CGW wiper is great for use in garages, shops, kitchens, bathrooms and manufacturing facilities. Top reviews from the United States. Strong and worth every penny. Could not find paper towels anywhere, so I ordered these. I don't know why anybody would complain that it doesn't tear in half. Or even if you have to use two hands to rip one sheet from the other, since you can use this a few times for anything because it's so strong. I don't think I'll be going back to regular kitchen towels after these. Also really good for washing my car. I only used 3 sheets to wash and wipe dry. Worth every penny. And for cooking? Excellent for greasy foods to soak up the grease. I don't have bacon or pork chops very often, but when I do, these only require 1 sheet.